Welcome to our product showcase, featuring the Tooltos 1 to 33 Hong Kong dollars ring stretcher expander reducer, a versatile tool designed to make ring resizing effortless and precise. Crafted from premium materials, this tool boasts a cast iron body and steel components, ensuring durability and reliability for all your jewelry making needs. With its dual functionality, this tool combines a ring enlarging tool for expanding and a ring size reducer for resizing, providing an ideal fit for various band styles. The reversible base plate and 8 reduction dies offer precise control, allowing you to reduce ring sizes up to 14 millimeters with confidence and accuracy. Featuring 4 pre-drilled holes for easy bench mounting and a 6-segment splines mandrel with sizes clearly numbered from 1 to 33, resizing rings has never been easier. Steps to increase ring size: 1. Place the ring on the mandrel and make sure it fits snugly. 2. Use the lever to gently stretch the ring to the desired size. Flip the ring over during stretching. Adjust gradually to avoid overstretching. Steps to reduce ring size: 1. Place the ring in the corresponding reduction die based on its size. 2. Apply pressure with the control lever to carefully reduce the ring size. Repeat the reduction operation by flipping the ring over. Check the fit frequently to ensure precision. Perfect for use in jewelry repair stores, for personal use, and for crafting coin rings or working with solid gold and platinum. This tool handles a wide range of non-ferrous materials with ease. Experience the precision and versatility of the Tooltos 1 to 33 Hong Kong dollars ring stretcher expander reducer. Order yours today and elevate your jewelry craftsmanship to new heights.